Everybody, here we are again. I'm at the property. We went down this much, probably about 5 feet down. We're keeping this section for a ditch. That's going to be a ditch from the neighbor's runoff for the water. It's going to be a ditch all the way around, right alongside that, so we could take the water and collect it right there. So there it is. Okay, we had to go down a couple feet to push the pad out 20 feet because the setbacks are 20 feet, right? And then I'm going to use that setback so I don't waste it. I'm going to do the 5-foot drainage and then push it out 15 more feet. So that's 20 feet right there. So that way I'm using this very wisely. The driveway is going to be around the back here, all the way around the back. The ditch is on the other side, and so the driveway is going to go all the way down. Now there it is. So this is you'll see they're not done yet. They still got to move dirt around and compress. There was 2 pipes in there. That was old water pipes. We yanked them out because I had 811 come out and they said there was nothing here. Apparently they rerouted the pipes. So there we go. Any questions or comments, please feel free to comment down below. And thank you for everything. We'll talk to you later. Bye now.